How to generate product photos using Photoroom AI. First, open your web browser and go to photoroom.com. Then, sign into your account, or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create or Start from Photo. Next, upload a clear photo of your product by clicking Upload Image. After your image is uploaded, Photoroom will automatically remove the background. Now, click AI Background or Generate Background. In the prompt box, describe the background you want. Photoroom AI will create realistic product photos with your new AI-generated background. If you'd like to improve the result, try a different prompt or adjust the lighting, shadows, and crop using the built-in editing tools. Once you're happy with the image, preview the final result. Finally, click Download to save your product photo to your computer. Keep in mind that some export options may require a premium subscription. That's it! You've successfully generated a professional product photo using Photoroom AI.